Alright guys, you know, gym wear, not fun to pack, not fun to unpack either. So today I want to show you a cool trick here. By the way, I'm Thor, the folding Norwegian guy on the internet. I am going to show you a cool trick here. I use this a bunch for travel. So it's basically a way that you can stack all your gym clothes, except the shoes and perhaps a towel as well. But you can take those individually. But realistically, this is all you need. You can just put it all together. So we're going to start here by putting down the t-shirt. This also works if you have a tank top or a long sleeve shirt. And yeah, we're just gonna start out here by folding in the arms. If you have long sleeve arms, fold them over to side, right? And from here we are going to make a little pocket here at the bottom by turning the end bottom of the t-shirt here inside out. And we're gonna need quite a bit of room here in this pocket. Probably fold it in good, let's say 15 inches. Here comes the cool part, right? So we're gonna lay all the stuff here on top of this t-shirt. So you can lay your pants on top here. If you have pants, you need to fold them in a little bit because they are so much bigger than the t-shirt. So something like this. Obviously, if you have shorts, it's a lot easier. Actually, let's use shorts for the example. So lay your shorts, for example, you can lay those on top here as well. Just make sure everything is inside the top of inside the t-shirt. If you have underwear, you need to change. Famous blue ones from these videos. You can lay that on top. You know, your socks can also go on top. If you have sports bras, that's fine as well. Just keep in mind if they have like cups in them, you may want to keep it outside of this roll. If you have a small towel or something that you use to dry yourself up while you're in the gym or whatever you're doing, you can lay that on top as well. A large towel you probably need to keep for itself. I made a video about that already that you can check out in the little card up here. Let's move on in this cool little tutorial here. I am just going to fold the boxer shorts over in half as well. You don't really need to do that, but it will be slightly neater if you do. So just put everything on top of each other here. And we are ready. So I'm going to split it into 4 parts now here. So one in the middle and then one on each side. And from here we're going to fold it in from the side like this and on the other side as well. As you can see now, it covers everything inside here. And we are going to start rolling it with both hands from the neck of your shirt of choice, and just gently or tightly. The tighter you roll, the more wrinkly it usually gets, but it's gym clothes, so whatever. So just rolling it down all the way. Make sure it doesn't unravel as you roll like this. Once you reach the bottom, take one of your hands, lift up the entire little roll that you made here. And you're going to flip this around the entire ball or cylinder. Do it on the other side as well, like this. If you want to make it more even, you can stick your fingers in here as well. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I have a bunch more stuff like this. This is good for travel as well, by the way. I'll see you in the next folding video.